welcome to this Price a Job tutorial. In this video, we'll be taking a look at Price a Job's project management tools for to-do lists and notes. To access Price a Job's project management tools, go to the navigation bar here in the top and select Company. And then, in the left-hand sidebar, you'll find the project management tools. Here we'll be taking a look at the to-do list. So select To-Do, and similar to our photo and documents project management tools, we actually have two sections for our to-do lists. We have a to-do list under our Company tab, where we can add tasks that are company-specific, and also we can make project-specific to-do lists under the Projects tab. So here we would select Project, and then select the project for which we have a to-do list that we need to make. So for example, we'll select this one here. And then in the left sidebar, we can select To Do. Here we have no tasks for this project yet. So here we can click the plus icon to create a new folder. And this is in the form of tabs. So create a new tab called Defects and Add. If we have other folders to add, we can click the plus icon again and add extra folders. Perhaps we have a folder called Shopping. We can add that one as well. So under the Defects tab, we can add some new tasks. So let's add a task here by clicking Add Task, and then we can give our new task a title. For example, Complete Bath Panel, and save. And then we'll add another task. We'll call this one Fix Tap Leak, and save. And we can add as many tasks to this folder as we need. Here we'll see the date and time at which the task was listed, as well as its status. And by clicking on this, we can change the status to either In Progress, In Review, Completed, or Cancelled. We'll set this one to In Progress. And also Fix Tap Leak to In Progress. On the side here, we have three dots indicating an options menu. And here we can either copy this task, send it to the archive, or delete it. So perhaps once this has been completed, we can then send it to the archive. And this crosses this item off of our to-do list. If we need to revisit this task, we can go back to the options menu and restore. And this removes the strike through. And then we can change the status of this back to In Progress. Similarly, for company-specific tasks, we can go to our Company tab and then select To Do under the Project Management section. And again, we have no tasks found for the Company tab, so here we can add some new tabs. We'll call this first one Shopping, and Add, and then add another tab. We'll call this one Deliveries, and Add. So perhaps under the Shopping tab, we can select this, and then add some tasks by selecting Add Task here. And we can call this task by UPVC Window, and save. And then this is added to our company to-do list. And we can change the status of this to In Progress. And here's the options menu where we can copy, archive, or delete this task. If we have many tasks, we can organize these by color code. So for example, here we have to buy a window and a door, as well as coffee filters and coffee creamer. These would obviously be coming from different areas, so here we could color code these by selecting the color bar here on the front of the to-do task, and then changing the color. So perhaps we'll change this one to blue. And also the aluminum door we can change to blue because these will probably be bought at the same supplier. However, the coffee filters and coffee creamer will probably come from the grocery store. So here we can change the color of this to red. And red. This gives us an easy way to group these tasks visually so that we know which tasks are related to one another. If we choose to move these tasks to a different tab, this is easy to do. For example, perhaps our window and door have arrived, so we can mark these complete, and now we can select this item by grabbing it with this grab handle here on the left, and dragging it to the proper folder. We can drop that into Deliveries, and the same with the aluminum door. We can select this and drag it to the proper folder. And for these other items, if we choose to, we can use these drag handles also to reorder our to-do list. And in this way, you can organize your to-do tasks any way you wish. It's simple to use, but highly effective. In addition to company to-do lists, Price a Job also has an easy access notes section here, which you can access here in the top navigation bar on the right. Simply select the pencil icon, and this opens a notepad. And this is a quick access area where you can leave notes for yourself. For example, make holiday closure sign. And we can also create subfolders on our notepad here. So let's select Add New. We'll give this folder a name. Perhaps this will be called Formulas. And Add. And this can be a section for our notes where we can leave some of our most commonly used formulas. And by storing these in our notepad, no matter where we are within Price a Job, we can quickly access our notes and consult our formulas quickly. We might also have other folders here for reminders and Add New, or quantities, add. And this notepad makes a great complement to the to-do list as an easily accessible record of notes that you frequently reference. And it's available to you anywhere where you can access Price a Job, either from your office desktop system or on your mobile device from the site, from the customer's house, or on the road, anywhere you are. And that's how to use Price a Job's project management tools for to-do lists and notes. Thank you for using Price a Job.